This is Mac to Explore Embedded Systems. Today we are going to see another mini project, DIY secure door lock using 4 different access methods. In last video or project we have seen this door locking system using 3 different access methods: RFID, keypad and smartphone app. In this mini project we have add on one security method, which is nothing but fingerprint sensor. So let's get started. First of all, let's see the components involved in this mini project. Here is the Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller board. In previous mini project or previous version of this project we have used Arduino Nano, but problem with Arduino Nano is it has a limited number of pins. So this time, in order to connect this fingerprint sensor, we have used Arduino Mega. This is a 16:2 LCD display which is connected using I2C interface. This is a I2C serial interface adapter module which reduces the I2C pin LCD pins to 4 pins, that is SD, ASCL and VCC and ground. So this module is a serial interface adapter module for 16:2 LCD display. This module is based on PCF 8574 chip. Okay. This is RFID RC522 module. RFID reader works with a frequency of 13.56 megahertz. This is a fingerprint sensor GT511C3 SparkFun's fingerprint sensor. This is 4x4 matrix keypad. This is a 2-channel relay module. We have used only one channel here. This is a 12-volt solenoid lock. This is a LiPo battery used to power this solenoid lock. These are RFID cards. These are status LEDs, red, green and blue. This is reset button. Red LED indicates the lock is locked. Green LED will indicate the lock is unlocked, and blue LED is used to show the status of resetting and enrolling of RFID cards. As I said earlier, that this locking system can be accessed using 4 different access methods. One of them is the Android app on smartphone. This Android app get connected to this whole system using Bluetooth interface. That's why we have used this HC05 Bluetooth module here. So this is a fingerprint sensor. We have used a separate power supply or battery to connect this fingerprint sensors because it requires more power and current. So this is a power supply board, converter board. We have used this 7.4 volt LiPo battery. This board, adapter board or breakout board, converts this 7.4 volt to 2 different voltages 5 volt and 3.3 volt. This module is 3.3 volt tolerant TX-RX pins. So we have used this level shifter or level converter. These pins coming from this fingerprint sensor are 3.3 volt tolerant, and our Arduino is 5 volt logic. It has a 5 volt logic level. So in order to match this logic levels or adapt to these logic levels, we have to use this level shifter or level converter. So these all are the components of this whole system. Now let's see the demo of this system. First of all, we will see the keypad method. First method is the keypad method. To unlock this lock, you have to enter code star you can see on display it is showing whatever we enter on keypad, but it does not reveal the code. For privacy purpose, we have display as a X on that display. Star 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Okay, it is now showing unlocked. Okay, valid code. Once again we will see that star 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Valid code, access granted. If we enter any invalid code, it will say invalid code, access denied. Now enter valid code 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Okay, valid code, access granted. Okay, this lock is unlocked for few seconds and then it automatically get locked for security purpose. So the code we are entering here, we can change it in program. So this is one method, access method, keypad method. Let's see another method to unlock this lock. Second method we will see is RFID method. This is RFID reader. These are RFID cards. So if we now use this RFID cards in this on reader, it will say invalid ID. Okay, invalid ID card, because we have yet not registered these ID cards into the PROM memory of this Arduino Mega microcontroller. So let's enroll or register these RFID cards into memory of this microcontroller. So for that we have to enter a code. This keypad is work as a interface or HMI method for accessing this whole system. Enter code star 6 5 4 3 2 1 hash. Now you can see on display it is saying enrolling. So when it is saying enrolling, you have to put this RFID card on the reader, and reader will read that code of this RFID card and register into the PROM memory of microcontroller. Okay, now it is saying card is enrolled. Blue LED was blinked once time. So now this card is not registered and this card is registered. When we put this, if we put this card on this reader, lock will get unlocked. Okay, valid RFID card unlocked, and this card is not yet registered. So if we put this card, it will say invalid ID card. Now let's enroll this card again. So again you have to enter a code *654321. Again this code you can change in program, whatever you like. Okay, now enrolling this card or tag, you have to put this tag on reader. Okay, card is enrolled, display saying unlocked. Now if we place this card on reader, it will get lock will get unlocked. Okay, this is second method of accessing this lock. You can see here status LED are showing the locking and unlocking status. Red LED now it is showing lock is locked. Green LED will show lock is unlocked. Now the third method we will see is fingerprint sensor access method. The fingerprint sensor method, here we have to enroll our fingerprint first in this memory of this fingerprint sensor. This fingerprint sensor is a GT511C3, and this fingerprint sensor saves 200 fingerprints samples, or what we can say templates in its memory. So you can register 200 people's data into that memory, but this system is not for registering any program. For that registering, you have to program it separately. So I have enrolled my fingerprints or finger in that sensor earlier. If I place this finger on this sensor, lock will get unlocked. Like that. If I only enroll this finger, if I place another finger, lock will not unlock. Okay, this is security purpose. So I have also enrolled my another finger, my left hand finger. If I place this, lock will get unlocked. Okay. Likewise. So this method is fingerprint sensor method. Now another method to unlock this lock is Android app method. This is Android app which we have designed using MIT App Inventor version 2. So the link of this app or its APK file or all the codes which I have used it in this project, I will post it on GitHub, and link will be given in the description of this video. So this app has a simple interface, two buttons: connect, disconnect, enter the password. Okay, so it's based on Bluetooth basically. So you have to first enable the Bluetooth of the smartphone. Here the Bluetooth is enabled. If Bluetooth is not enabled, it will prompt error here that Bluetooth, you should turn on the Bluetooth. So we have to first pair this HC05 Bluetooth module to this smartphone. So go to your Bluetooth settings. Now it is scanning for devices. You can see that HC05 module is get listed in available devices. Click on that. For pairing, it will ask us a password for pairing. Okay, now it's popped up. You have to enter a passcode 1234. It is usually 0000 or 1234. we have entered 1 2 3 4, click done and OK. Now you can see C0Pi is listed in a paired devices list. Okay, now go to your app and now press button connect. Now here you will see SC0Pi module is available for connection. You can click on that. Okay, screen will go green, that showing status that module is connected successfully, and the status LED of this module, earlier it was blinking very fast. Now it is blinking at specific interval, showing that we have successfully connected to this Bluetooth module. Now in order to unlock this lock using smartphone method, you have to enter password, same password we have earlier entered in keypad method. It is a *12345 # and press button, enter the password. Okay, some error happened, we have to disconnect and connect it again. Now you can see that its module is disconnected or from this phone. It is blinking fast. Now we have to again pair or connect with this module. Okay, now it is connected. It is status LED of this HC0Pi is blinking at specific interval. Now again we will enter the password. Okay. Lock is unlocked, green LED store showing status. Again I will show you. Okay, this is Android app method to unlock this lock. So we have seen 4 different methods to unlock this lock: RFID, passcode using 4x4 matrix keypad, sensor, fingerprint sensor, and fourth one is the Android app method. So all the codes in this project, used in this project, will be posted on GitHub, and the link will be given in the description of this video. Now if you want to erase all the data of RFID from the memory of this microcontroller, we have programmed for it. So you have to enter a code. I have earlier said that it reset button I have used for that. You have to enter a code *789789#. Okay, reset RFID, this will remove. You have to press button for 3 seconds. Okay, wiping done. Now data is resetted. Earlier data, RFID, registered RFID card are get erased from memory of this microcontroller. You can now verify it. If we place this card, it will not get unlocked. It will say invalid card. Okay, invalid card. So you have to again enroll this card in order to unlock this lock. So we have used or utilized the EEPROM memory of this microcontroller. So even if the power supply gone off, the card registered in that memory will not get erased because it get stored in the EEPROM of that microcontroller. So this is all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.